The Comcast Technology Center in Philadelphia is a modern marvel that has redefined the city's skyline. Here are some key facts about this iconic structure. 1. Height. The Comcast Technology Center is the tallest building in Philadelphia, standing at 1,121 feet, 342 meters. 2. Completion. The skyscraper was completed in 2018, adding a modern touch to the Philadelphia skyline. Owner. The building is owned by Comcast Corporation, one of the largest media and technology companies in the world. 4th. Architect. The building was designed by renowned British architect Norman Foster of Foster Plus Partners. 5. Mixed use. The tower houses office spaces, a luxury hotel, broadcast studios, and retail spaces. 6th. LEED certification. It is a LEED Platinum certified building, showcasing its commitment to sustainability and energy efficiency. 7. Hotel. The Four Seasons Hotel Philadelphia occupies the top floors of the Comcast Technology Center, offering panoramic views of the city. 8. Media Hub. The tower serves as a major hub for Comcast's media and technology operations, including NBC Universal's local operations. 9. Public art. The lobby features a large-scale digital installation by artist Jenny Holzer, contributing to Philadelphia's rich cultural scene. Cost. The total construction cost of the Comcast Technology Center was approximately $1.5 billion, making it one of the most expensive buildings in the city. Thanks for watching.